they took down the those little plastic spikes which I put up there so they don't build a nest, and they're preparing to build a nest on that spot now. And of course this one here, she already found a way. She already started with her nest, and I think she's just building it right now because I don't see any baby birds sound. So it's just so pretty to look at. But as soon as the babies can fly off, I will take it down because I don't want them to go poo in the patio. It's so hard to remove.